Man, it's time to get this out of hibernation. Hello. What is going on today, guys? Back with another video for the 6 Fox. Today, I got off work early. I haven't been making any video content in like, I don't know, maybe a month now. Probably not that long, but I don't know, whatever. Anyways, I haven't made a video in a while. So, why not make a video about the 6 Fox and how much does it weigh? Everybody says that the Foxbody weighs, it's the lightest Mustang they ever made, basically. Well, I don't think it's the ever made, but it's pretty light for what it is. And also the SN95 body styles are a lot heavier than the Foxbody body style. So I'm gonna figure out how much the Foxbody weighs, and maybe in another video I can figure out how much the 1998 Mach 1 weighs. But we're gonna weigh the Fox, and yeah, let's just go ahead and get to it. And just to let y'all know, this car is still gutted. There's no door panels, no dash or anything like that. It's still the same as it was before. So this will be a turn right. Okay, turn right up here. How much would this weigh, a Foxbody weigh, if it's gutted? But yeah, turn right. Let's all right, I'm turning right. I haven't made up there yet. But let's just see how this goes. Before you skip to the end, guess how much it might weigh. I'm guessing probably, let's say, 3,000, maybe 29. I don't know how much they originally weigh, so I can't really base my opinion off of that. It might be 25 stock, so I don't know. But I'm gonna just go with maybe, let's say 28, just to keep it in the middle. And this is gonna be with me in it. But yeah, I'll see y'all at the junkyard or salvage yard or whatever you want to call it. Alright guys, and we're here. This road is so freaking bumpy. Well, gravel. But yeah, we're here. I just gotta go up there to that little house looking thing or whatever it is and tell them I'm weighing and all that crap. So give me a couple minutes and I'll be right back. Alright guys, we're pulling up on the scale now just to see how much we weigh. $36.40. I'm just playing, guys. It's not really $36.40. I got a crap ton of metal in the back, and I will show you in just a second. All of them rotors, there's 20 of them. Alright, let's start unloading this. Now that we got most of the weight off, let's see how much is it without all that weight. Oh, spun a little bit. Can we just stop? Let's see. 3,000 even. And that's with me in it. 3,000 pounds. Oh man. Alright, let's go up here and get this money. It's not bad to be on TV.
Part of what you own it for.
Huh?
It's part of what you own it for.
Yeah.
Oh, come on now. Don't start giving me trouble with that. Make it happy.
And he did get the cats?
Yeah.
Okay.
Second. My scanner's not working.
Okay.
Close it out. I went ahead and made your picture though.
There you go.
Alright, there's that. Let me try ID back. Hold on just a second.
Okay.
Alrighty. Well, have a good afternoon.
Alright, you too. Don't work too hard.
Almost time to go home before too much longer. Closer than when we started this morning.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Uh-huh. Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. Alright guys, so we got $61.60 for all of that metal that we have in the back. I mean, it's not as a lot as I thought it would be. I'm guessing the price of metal went down, but hey, it's still extra money. I needed the extra money, so it's pretty nice just to have extra money. And just saying, if you ever want like some extra money or something like that, just save all your used car parts that, you know, broke or whatever. You probably won't get as much as your money back for it, but I mean, probably get like what, 5 cents back or whatever, but still. And then it's also good if you have like if you have aluminum. That pays a lot. And also catalytic converters. I know a lot of people who cut their cats off when they're not supposed to, but people do it anyway. If you cut them off, you can send them up here and they will give you quite a bit for it. I think that one cat that I had was $30, so yeah, that's pretty nice. But all in all, basically what I'm just showing you is that you could get a little bit of extra money for just saving your car parts. I know a lot of people are like, that's just junky and stuff like that, but I mean, it's extra money. What are you gonna do with it? I'm not finna just throw it away when I can use it to get car parts. I mean, come on, $60, that's gas. So anyway guys, that's enough of me talking. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. There's still some people out there that's still watching my videos and not subscribed, so go ahead and subscribe because you like the videos. So now I'm looking a little funny because everybody's looking at me while I'm talking to a camera, so I'm gonna go ahead and head out because I'm not that big time YouTuber yet. But yeah, we see you in the next video, guys. Alright, I forgot to tell you, I'm back at the house now. Matter of fact, let's go look at the Fox real quick. So I have a plan for the Foxbody. Hopefully I can get it car show ready by the end of January or whenever Stupid Code comes into town. It's gonna be 2020 Stupid Code from Slam Enough. Hopefully I'll have this car completely, like, I'm trying to do everything crazy with this. It's not even gonna look like the same car anymore. So hopefully Christmas is good, birthday's good, you know, money from work is good. Because if it's good, then this is going to be a totally different car. And like I said in my last video, it's no longer going to be such and such car. It's going to be my car. So I'm real excited about that. I almost tripped. I don't know if y'all saw that, but yeah. I'm probably going to keep the interior gutted out because I'm not sure if I'm gonna get that finished quite yet, but yeah, get the interior gutted out and whatnot. Probably gonna change the color of the car. Probably gonna change the wheels. Hopefully I can get a good deal on some new tires for the back, because right now I got these wheels on there. Oh, and I'm also working with a spoiler, so the spoiler's gonna be in the back there, and I don't know how that's gonna look, but we can see, right? I'm excited because I finally get to do what I want to do with this car. I can do some Bondo work real quick. Now, it's gonna be a lot to do in a couple of days, because I mean, to be honest, I'm trying to do this after my birthday. So get a whole car transformed after my birthday is gonna be kind of like extremely tight schedule before January. So I'm not sure when in January they're gonna have their car show, but yeah, I want to be there. It's either gonna be in this car or the 1998 Mach 1 or both. I don't know. I don't know how I'm gonna get the paint done. I don't know how I'm gonna get the wheels done. I don't know how I'm gonna get the tires done. The spoiler, headlights. Yes, I'm doing headlights too. So I'm changing it all. So wish me luck. Please like, comment, subscribe. It'll help me out, motivate me to keep going, keep moving. That's what I need right now. So that's it, guys. I see you on the next one. Peace. We out of here.
You're a bad banana with a greasy black pea.